What's up, YouTube? This your boy DJ F back at it again, trying to get it in. We already in. Yes, so we about to do another video, another review, food review that is. Chef Babu back at it again. We about to get it in. Yes, sir. Say what's up, Gracie. Say what's up. Say hello. Say hello. The reason why her hair is looking crazy, man, because she don't like to get her hair done. We always try to do her hair. She don't want to get it. She be fighting and tossing and turning. Even when she drinking her juice, she don't want to get her hair done. For real. Ain't that right, Gracie? So let's get down to this food and see what we talking about on this thing. Something light today, real light. We got the baked chicken and the plantains. Don't touch. And the plantains, don't touch. We about to chow down with the mixed onions and stop it. Sweet peppers, green peppers, and nice 4-piece chicken. Yes, sir. I already know this thing is a 10 out of 10, Craig. I can't lie. That way. So we about to try it on this thing, see how this thing's looking. You know what I'm saying? See how this thing tasting. I already know it's a 10 out of 10. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, these peppers are spicy. She took some bell peppers and cut it up and put a little bit of oil and mix it up with these onions and these sweet peppers and green peppers. So it got a little kick to it. It's not too strong, but it got a little kick with some barbecue sauce, of course. Green fried plantains.
No, I don't know.
Good.
Alright.
10 out of 10. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. She's trying to grab the plantain.